Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer completely free. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Cisco Networking Academy website. Once you're on the homepage, click on Login in the top right corner. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up and create a free Cisco Networking Academy account. It only takes a few minutes. You'll need to enter your name, email address, and create a password. After signing up and logging in, go to the top menu and search for Packet Tracer in the search bar. You'll find a free course called Introduction to Packet Tracer. Click on it and enroll for free. Don't worry, you don't have to finish the course just to download the software. Once you're enrolled, you'll get access to the Download Packet Tracer link. Click the link, and you'll see different versions available: Windows installer, Mac installer, or even a version for Linux. Choose the version that matches your system. For example, I'll select Windows 64-bit, click Download, and the installer file will start downloading. Once the download finishes, open the installer file, click Yes if prompted, and follow the installation steps. Click Next, accept the license agreement, choose your install location, and click Install. The installation will take a few minutes. Once it's complete, click Finish. Now you can open Cisco Packet Tracer from your desktop or Start menu. The first time you launch it, it will ask you to log in with your Cisco Networking Academy account. After logging in, you're ready to start building and simulating networks. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Cisco Packet Tracer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more networking, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.